Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Microsoft Advertising, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin registering for Microsoft Advertising, navigate to the Microsoft Advertising website. Look for the Sign Up button, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Sign Up button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, click on Create One and follow the instructions to set up a new account. Once signed in, you'll see an option to provide your business information. Enter the name of your business, as well as your website URL, if available. Fill in the country and time zone details for your business. Next, provide your contact information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Review the Microsoft Advertising Agreement and Privacy Statement carefully. If you agree to the terms, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on the Next button to proceed. You may be asked to set up billing information. Enter your payment method details, such as credit card information or other payment options. After entering your payment details, click on Save or Continue. You will then be guided to set up your first advertising campaign. Follow the prompts to create your ad by selecting your campaign goals and audience targeting. Once your campaign details are configured, review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click on the Finish button to complete the registration and campaign setup. Congratulations! You are now registered with Microsoft Advertising and ready to start advertising. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.